Everyone thinks the best-selling wireless subwoofers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, TCL S55H Soundbar. The TCL S55H 2.1 soundbar with wireless subwoofer priced at $119.99. What caught my attention is its powerful 220 watts of output and Dolby Atmos support. If you want an immersive audio experience without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The TCL S55H is designed to transform your TV audio. With Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X, it creates a surround sound experience that makes movies and games feel alive. The wireless subwoofer delivers deep bass, so you'll feel the rumble of action scenes without missing a beat. Plus, the AI Sonic Auto Room calibration adjusts your space, ensuring balanced sound no matter where you sit. That's great for those of you who aren't tech-savvy but still want a great setup. Now, some users have mentioned that the remote control can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, you might not need to use it often, especially with app control available. So while it might frustrate a few, it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you want great sound on a budget. Skip this one if you're looking for a premium audio experience with more advanced features. The value for money here is pretty solid.
Product number 2, Polk Audio Signet S2. We have the Polk Audio Signet S2 soundbar with subwoofer, retailing at $249. This one caught my eye with its ultra-slim design and impressive voice adjust technology. If you're after clarity and a premium feel, this is a solid contender. The Signet S2 is all about enhancing your TV sound. With 5 full-range drivers, it delivers rich audio and deep bass. Plus, the voice adjust technology helps with dialogue clarity. No more straining to hear conversations in movies. It connects easily via HDMI, ARC, or optical, making it versatile for any setup. The wireless streaming capability also lets you listen to your favorite tunes from apps without any fuss. However, some users noted that the bass could be a bit too strong for certain types of music. But honestly, if you enjoy a good thump during action movies or gaming, you'll appreciate that extra punch. It's just something to keep in mind based on your audio preferences. This is perfect for you if you want an upscale sound experience without a bulky setup. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional, larger sound system. The sound quality you get for the price is impressive.
Product number 3, Hisense HS2100. I was drawn to its 240 watts of output and DTS Virtual X technology. If you're looking for powerful sound in a compact design, this is worth considering. The HS2100 delivers impressive audio power that instantly upgrades your TV sound. The wireless subwoofer adds depth to your listening experience, while DTS Virtual X gives a surround sound effect that enhances gaming and movie watching. It connects with a single HDMI cable, making setup quick and easy, which is perfect for those who hate complicated installations. The Bluetooth feature also allows for easy music streaming from your devices. On the downside, some users felt that the sound could lack a bit of warmth in the lower frequencies. But here's the thing. If you're mainly using it for dialogue-heavy content or casual listening, this shouldn't really impact your experience. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful soundbar on a budget. Skip this one if you're an audiophile looking for high-end audio fidelity. It offers great value for the price.
Product number 4, Polk Audio PSW10, priced at $249. I was impressed by its 10-inch woofer size, promising big bass in a compact design. If you're serious about home theater audio, this one is worth your attention. The PSW10 is engineered to deliver accurate bass depth, making it ideal for movies and music. With a built-in amplifier of 100 watts, it ensures powerful performance, even at high volumes, perfect for creating that immersive experience. The setup is simple and it integrates smoothly with other Polk speakers, which is great for those looking to expand their systems down the line. However, some users mentioned that the subwoofer can sometimes be too boomy for smaller rooms. But honestly, if you have a medium to large space, you'll likely find that the bass enhances your audio experience rather than detracts from it. This is perfect for you if you want to enhance your home theater setup. Skip this one if you're looking for a purely wireless option, as this one requires wired connections. It's a solid investment for the performance you get.
Product number 5, PreSonus Aris Sub 8BT at $209.99. The wireless Bluetooth connectivity and studio quality sound caught my eye. If you're into music production or gaming, this subwoofer delivers that pro-level audio. The Era Sub 8BT gives you an impressive low end with a 100-watt output, ensuring you hear every detail in your audio. It's designed with tuning controls that allow you to customize the sound to fit your specific room, which is fantastic for those who are serious about their audio setup. Plus, Bluetooth 5.0 means you can connect easily to various devices without the hassle of cables. However, some users felt the 8-inch size might not deliver enough bass for larger rooms. But here's the deal. If you're using it in a smaller setup or studio, it performs exceptionally well and gives you that tight, accurate bass. This is perfect for you if you're into mixing or gaming and want precise control over your audio. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more massive output. The value for studio quality sound is definitely here.
We've got the TCL S55H for budget-friendly immersive sound, the Polk Audio Signet S2 for clarity and style, the Hisense HS2100 for power in a compact design, the Polk Audio PSW10 for serious home theater enthusiasts, and the PreSonus Era Sub 8BT for music production lovers. Each offers something unique, so think about what fits your needs best.